Okay, here's our last question. Question 16. It is a longer question. So let's go through it slowly and answer all the different parts. Video Game Rentals offers two plans. Plan A costs $25 for a membership fee and $5 for each game that you rent. Plan B costs $15 for a membership fee and $10 for each game that you rent. So I see an initial value because $25 is like a one-time fee. Ooh. What did my pen do? Okay, $25 is a membership fee, so that's a one-time fee, and $5 per game looks like a rate of change. It looks like something we're going to keep adding on. Every time I do another game, another $5. Okay, so that's plan A. So it looks like I'm going to write something like my total number of dollars is Y. Okay, initial value of 25. So the amount I'm spending is 25 plus $5 per game. Okay, and then for plan B, I'm paying a $15 membership fee and $10 for each game. So my total is going to be that $15 that I have to pay once plus the $10 times the number of games. Okay, so we already did the first two parts. We wrote the equation for plan A, we wrote the equation for plan B. Now it says graph the system of equations on the set of axes. So let's see. I know how to do this with initial value of 25, rate of change of 5. I know that my first point is going to be at 0, 25, right? That number by itself is always my value when x is 0. Okay, so for 0 games, I paid $25 just for that membership fee. And then I'm going up $5 because my rate of change is 5. So I need to go up from $25 to $30 for one game. Okay, up another $5 for another one game. Okay, another $5 for another one game. So every one game is another $5. So my line looks like this. Okay, now I am actually going to choose a different color for the second one. Okay, so this one costs an initial value of 15. So I started out paying $15 for 0 games, and then I have to add $10 every time I rent a game. So I'm going up 2 boxes because each box is 5. So if I want to go up from 15 up 10, I'm going up to 25 over one game, from 25 up to 35 for one game, and then up to 45 for one game. And if you notice, we found the point of intersection, right? We're back to lines. We were doing inequalities. We were looking at where it's shaded, but when we're at the lines with equal signs, we're looking for that one point that they share, the one point where they cross paths. And that's this point, 235. So when it says, what is the solution? That's the point where they intersect, which is 235. Then it says, explain in detail what the point of intersection of these equations means in the context of this problem. So let's see. I have 2 and 35, and that represents something about my two variables. Well, what was my x? The x was this right here, the g, the number of games. Okay, so that means for 2 games, right? We have 2 games. That's where our point of intersection is. What's happening there? Well, what's happening is for 2 games, we have the same thing for both plans. So both plans will cost, and that brings us to our y-coordinate. The y-coordinate is the total $35. Okay, and with that, we finished our study guide. Feel free to go back to as many videos as you want and watch. If you are my student, of course, you can email me with any questions. If you are not my student and you are on remote and you are trying to figure something out and you feel like I can maybe explain something about my video, email me, email your teacher. We'll be happy to help. We want you to be able to get the best review you could and succeed on your test. Have a great day.